I'm over here, Guns RC, and we got a YZF 450. He's been holding out on us. Guns RC. Here, having a little fire.
Brat. Zah.
Angel.
How do you say it, Johnny? Zah.
Shout out to BoneHead.
A couple hours, we'll have our own vocabulary going.
Doing some drinking. Fire. Food on the grill.
What the fuck? What the fuck?
Food on the grill, do this.
First ever.
My wife, Jean.
One off.
So food on the grill. We're waiting for Compson to get here.
I want to be the fly on the
So,
wall with Johnny C.
I think it's time. We got these big boxes here.
Somebody's
Somebody's got to open these up. All right. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel, Foundry RC, the best place to feed your need for everything RC. All right, we're gonna start this video off right over here. Shout out to everybody. Guns RC is hiding somewhere. Here we go. So, we don't want to copy BoneHead, but we're gonna do something a little special here. We're gonna do a little tech.
We're saying goodbye to this, Johnny. We're upgrading, you know. It's 2020, Johnny. You know, we're in phase 3 here.
This
Okay.
deserves a little bit more. So, shout out to John.
Oh, yeah. Oh, that's a beautiful sound.
Yo, it looks like the tape got scared.
The tape came up.
Back in.
So, we got ourselves an MCD XR5 Max Ultimate and some extra parts. Yep, these are the extra tires I got. More extra tires. I think it's hooked. So you can grab it. Is it tied down?
Yes, it is.
It's tied down.
It's tied down.
Alright, so let's cut the box open the rest of the way.
Sure you want to cut the box? Hold on.
Yeah, why not?
You don't need the box anymore?
Actually, it's two boxes, right?
I thought you just
Take
pull
this box
one
out, yeah.
Come on, let's go. What's going on?
Oh, shit.
Oh, snap.
So, we got. Come take a look at the shocks on this.
4-wheel drive?
We got the upgraded shocks. We got the 2-speed. We got a ton of extra tires. This is all shout out to Cardinal Racing, Mayhair. Thank you very much.
This thing is nasty. You got the paint scheme guy?
I got it installed with the 2-speed, but I also ordered all the parts to bring it back to a single speed because we're gonna do something with this. Stay tuned for that. But this ain't all. We got 2 boxes. Foundry RC got 2 boxes. We gotta open something else up.
It's a double opening.
Alright, so Nick's gonna help me out by taking the body off. Showing some of the stuff that I got stuffed in there. So we got the solid white wheel dish. So we don't just have these. We got the black disc. Some parts. Oh, that's probably the deflector.
Another wing.
The wing. Nice.
Rims.
You see these tires.
Or just the rear. Looks like a front bumper. Either a front, yeah, it looks like a front bumper or something.
We gotta open it up.
Oh, we got some rally tires here.
Hold on. We got the corgis here. Stunts here.
Hey, girl.
The Carly and Cheetos.
Hey, Carly.
Special
Killer
appearance.
Calm in the house.
Cheeto.
The video just stepped up a whole other level.
What now?
What's up, boy?
I got two here that are looking for a race. Anybody here wants to line up? I got two to choose from.
What up,
We got
Carson?
small block, big block. I'll line up with anybody. Who wants to smoke? What's up, man?
So we got the backfoot pipe.
Did I ruin the video?
Nah.
Okay, just in time.
Intake.
You definitely get what you pay for.
Okay, comes with a nice pipe.
Which you'll never use.
Yeah, right. He'll never use it.
So this is what you do. You don't take it apart.
He won't even use this. He won't even use his intake.
No.
This intake won't even be used. So I'm gonna say it right now.
Don't give that away. Nobody knows what I'm putting on there yet.
I'm gonna put you on the spot. How much you want for the intake?
Let's see what I got in the other box.
Okay. Oh, look at these gems.
Yep, those I picked up for the servos.
Yeah, it sucks that my buddy ordered these and told me after he placed the order.
I'm ordering more myself. I didn't think about it then, you know?
So it's okay. It's okay.
see
But
how it is.
I see how it is.
See how it is.
You know, but I'm here for the unboxing.
Yeah. You don't drink, right? Depends on what you're drinking.
Yo, these rally tires are hot.
Yeah, those are
These
like
are-
the real rally tires.
Yeah, these are hot.
Right?
So this is all MCD?
So
Shocks
Yep.
MCD?
MCD shocks. Those are the upgrade shocks.
so listen, I'm just putting it out there. Driver for hire.
Yo, did you ever see a freaking shock tower like that?
Oh, it's nice though.
This fucking thing is unbelievable. This thing reminds you of a Ducati. All these adjustments you can make.
Yeah. It's a lot.
Unbelievable.
It's a lot.
It's endless.
It's gorgeous.
It has triple limited slip dips.
You ever see one of these run? Yeah.
Only on video. Only on video.
Okay, Gary, it does look better in the video in person than it does in the
I'm
picture.
thinking the
So it
whole
has the 2-speed already on it.
Yeah, but I got it with the 2-speed and with the shocks. That was.
Yeah, but how are you gonna run the 2-speed with the?
That's why I got this stuff to convert it. Yeah, it's fine, but it's alright.
No, I don't want to say
That will
much.
come out later.
I don't want to say much.
But yeah, I got the single speed stuff to bring it back to single speed
So
for that purpose.
now that we got this, we're gonna unbox
Now we
the
gotta
other
see
one.
what's in the other box. All right, number 2.
Okay.
Now, this is a Foundry RC unboxing, but this does not belong to me. It's gonna be on my channel, but it's not belong to me. Whoever it belongs to wants to keep anonymous, so let's do that. I don't got money like that.
Yes, you do.
Yo, Sean, when you getting one?
Got me thinking.
When you get one, Nick.
I don't know, bro. Wait, my bank account set up.
So what do we got here?
under the lights.
Look at the spotlight.
Looks like number 2.
Gary's double fisted. Mr. Foundry is double fisted today.
All right, who's gonna be lift this one out? Yep, we got
Three bodies, yeah.
3 bodies. You ordered 3.
What kind of madness is this?
So Alfred, what I was saying. So Alfred, we got your stuff.
What kind of, that looks like a Tesla body.
Looks good.
So Alfred has the Rovin F5, but he wants the conversion kit to turn it into the rally car.
Really?
So what do you actually call this thing?
This is the XR5.
Thank you.
Is there a body clip on that side? No. So we got the parts. Just my other tires and whatever. So we got the mini spikes. I wanted the big spikes, you can have them, but I'll get those next time. Here's the black disc I was talking about. More wheels. What's this?
Short black thing was solo. Yeah, you saw the
Yeah.
cage set up already?
Sorry?
You saw the cage set up already?
Lockers.
So there's the roll cage already set up too. I don't know if we showed that before, but that's the roll cage on the car.
Mixture of plastic and aluminum.
We're running out of daylight, but
And that's an MCD pipe?
yeah, Barracuda.
This reminds me of Samba
Hmm.
when I see them.
Barracuda. I'll get you some right. Barracuda.
Sweet. It's got all the good stuff. Hey, you get what you pay for.
Most important part,
Is
we got some Cardinal Racing decals. Shout out to Cardinal Racing.
where's he at, Gary? Cardinal?
He's in Canada.
Canada. Hey.
Oh yeah, we got some more stuff too. I completely forgot. We got some BoneHead RC upgrades. Shout out to Dean. We got the front support bar. We got the engine mount. And to be honest with you, I don't remember what these are. But some more parts, all for the MCD.
Listen, I know somebody will tell us in the comments.
Yeah, somebody let us know what these are. I don't remember, but we got them all. All right, so we'll have another video out once I have more daylight, and we'll give you a little more detail.
Probably bigger in person.
Yeah,
That's still 1/5, right?
still 1/5, but it's an extended chassis. The Max series is extended. So the rear is going up.
They've always been the rally car kings.
So like I said, it's off-road, it's on-road.
Yeah.
No, I heard Lexus. So we're still talking about the car here.
Moving.
Yeah.
And Nick's trying to
But
take
it's-
everything for his 5T. He's like, will that fit the 5T?
You didn't make it out there that Sunday, did you?
A few components
Alright.
get swap over. So we got the checking the wheel out, okay? See if it fits.
Yeah, but see, my 5T got more top end. So when you get on that back straight, it's a wrap. Well, he gotta chase me through the corners too.
Should be saying that while filming.